Just take you through.
Ona thengia mihango yo heani wa taitu miene tiganite bururi-ini gutwarwo nenda-ini cia kiriu, anyiti itemi marauga heani wacio ni ukoretwo ugikururia undu uria ni muhinga munene kuri Akenya aria mari na nyota wa gwaka nyumba cia guikara. Hinde igongona ria kwaraniria na igithia, anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya wendia na uguri wa migunda matongoretio ni Gerald Ndung'u kuma kambuni-ini ya Herensia moritie thirikari kuhanyukia mihango ino niguo guteithiriria Kenya kwigwatira uikaro na njira huthu.
Makarora turnaround time ya title icio nigetha umuthi ndathie kugira title ciakwa in a weeks or two ngahota gukorwo na title icio nigetha cikarutwo na ihenya nigetha ona andu aria marakura mugunda matikambie kunjura title ciakwa ciriko. Koguo tumia look at the turnaround time nigetha mahanyukie kaundu kau no in terms of title kuma icio ni cirauma na tukamacokeria ngatho.
Ndung'u ni oritie thirikari gwakiriria tafaria cia bata matura-ini ta wikiri wa matawa mikira-ini ya bara mai hamwe na ingi niguo Kenya aria maraka matigathinike.
Through the county government wikitwethiria kurehe street lightings nigetha andu makiinuka mucii they are driving in a safe road, matwikirire road markings cia barabara iyo na matwikirire bumps kuria kurabatara bumps nigetha andu magitwarithia ngari yao barabara-ini mako mena safety. Koguo no njuge ati thirikari ni twethiritie na no ndimorie mathi na mbere gutunyitirira even in terms of levies, kurehe thitima mauta macio, kurehe mai taru turabatara mai kuma kuria Karimeno Dam.
Ona gutuika sekta ino ikoretwo igomeirwo ni makumbi mokunderu wa igithia, ataramu sekta-ini ino matongoretio ni Derrick Samaboria ni murugamiriri wa kambuni ino ya Herensia maugite Kenya ingi ni mambitie kuigithia na gikiro kinene makiria Kenya aria maikaraga nja wa itoka cia bururi.
We are seeing a surge of people now willing to release cash, and especially the diaspora people. So, the reason as to why most of them have not invested before, I think we all know that the quality of developments and the integrity of some of the projects that we've invested in have not met all the checks and balances that we are looking for. So what we are saying is, as you're looking to invest in real estate, due diligence is very important. Look for a facility that has all the documents necessary.
O thirikari ni cokirio ngatho ni guthondeka njira itiganite cia kuhotithia Kenya kwigwatira ngombo cia raithi mahote gwaka. Akenya na makiria mbeu njithi makiurio kwambia kuhithira mang'otore tene niguo guthaitira rucio rwa uigithia-ini.
Just save you young people, please save, because if you don't save there are so many things that divert your finances, and if you try to hear those voices of having so many diversions, you grow up without having anything. So please save, even if it is 100 shilling, 200 shillings, depending on how you are blessed. Save.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mathew Ndung'u wa Mbugua.